Learn animation 101.
Hello and welcome to part 2 of creating a 3D door. We already created 3D door in part 1, so in this time we're gonna manipulate the door using more blend morphs. I don't want to use bones because bones they're the same. It's just that I don't wanna just load bones. I just want to use blend morphs. Blend morphs is easier to use. You don't have to do a lot of things. So if you don't know about blend morphs, you will learn about them in this video. So this is blend morphs. What blend morphs does is that there are no blendable morphs for this layer. So what you're gonna do to create the blend morphs is blend morphs. It deals with creating action. You create action and you get to load them, manipulate them, play around with them. So to create blend morphs is the same thing that bones does, because when we want to create a head turn, we just create a bone, and we select the bone and say create shape and say action name, or we create or the bones can be visible in here, maybe bone 1, bone 2, and we get to bone 2 and manipulate the bone, set bone constraints of the. Let me show you. Let's say we're manipulating this door to open it and close it using a bone. That means we're going to do this. You see a set bone 1. I'm using N9.5. So what it will do, we just click this bone first. It will set the constraints and remove the bone strength and create a new bone, which is action 1, which is gonna blend with this bone. You see, the reason why I don't want to use bone, there's a fault with this. As long as we're creating and it does this manipulate bone and it gets to be visible in here, that means this bone won't do. So that's why I don't want to use that, and I don't want to use anim12 because I don't know why I don't like anim12. I do use it sometimes, and we'll use it in the next video. So what we're gonna do, let me delete this door and use this door. So to create blend morphs, what I'm going to do is to select this layer and create action, which is door open. Door open and close and close. Enter. So what we're going to do is to create only one keyframe, just one keyframe, which is I'm going to use the XY rotate layer and rotate the XY point, because I've set the origin here. I didn't do it on the layer. I should have done it on the layer, but I think it's best if I do it on the group, because if the door contains a lot of layers, I won't be able to control. But if I'm using, let's say I created the frame and the other layer, maybe 4 layers, so it'd be good to control the group. So what I'm going to do now, let's go back to edit mode and create a new layer. Where did that one go? Okay, I already got the layer here. So we're going to create a layer, the action which is going to open and close the door. First I said there are no blendable morphs for this layer, so we're going to create those blendable morphs by creating only one point, which is I program the door. Damn it, I should use this I should set on the group, not the layer. Just go back there and door all open and close. Yeah, and now what I'm going to do is to get inside here and use this XY rotate layer to rotate. The origin is here, that means the door will open and out. So let's open the door in like that. Wow, that does wonders. 180. And now we go to mainline and check what blend moves does. It's gonna open in and out. You see, I only done opening the door in the to open inside, but with blend moves it lets you play around. It gives you save time and energy, and this is the only way you can manipulate a door, the simplest way. So this is how blend moves work. And to avoid the, because you can see as the door gets out of the camera angle, the width gets bigger and in here it gets smaller. So to avoid that, you have to decrease, use this, transform the door, pull it back, and now you'll see blend mobs. Where are you? You can see now, no problem. And you can load this door anywhere in the 2D drawing. Where let's load this. I got a house I designed. I don't know if I've saved the tutorial, I don't know. Let me load that house and put this door in. Buildings, not here. It's not here. I think it's here. House. There it is. This is a 2D house with 3D materials, or with textures. So what I'm gonna do is to remove this door as a door which I have designed and manipulate using the bone. You can see it opens, close. Let's put it let's close it in frame 1 and put it on 24. We open it and you can see it's not straight actually. Here some issue, supposed to be straight, but it banded down here. That's why they don't want to use bones. They're hard to control sometimes. You can see, let's hit play. The door is opened. So let me remove this door. Let me remove it and use this door of blend moves and show you how this works. Let's push it back here. Let's resize it to the desirable size or level. Excellent. Come on. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So let me go to timeline, and I selected the blend morphs. So I want to make this door bend as this wall. So simple. I just did that and that. Whoa, wait, why is it pulling back? Let's check the door. Something wrong here. Bam 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 bam. Blend morphs is returning the door to the first frame. frame 23. Let's put it back to 0 and see what will happen. Let me check here the timeline. Close this. Relative to current, absolute default 0, open, close. Something wrong here. Shouldn't know why. Let's see. It's not doing anything. It's not the set origin, it's not the orbit, it's not anything. Okay, let's try this. Let's open the door. Whoa, there's some stupid mess here going on. See, some stupid trouble going on here, which I do not know. But I think I've done something wrong before doing this. That's why the door is pulling itself back in. But you won't experience this kind of problem. Something went wrong on my project. So the next video I'm going to be creating other things like microwaves or kitchen unit, all of that, and even a 3D house.